Clock Uno Productions. Do this one a little bit different this time. New faces.
Alright, the
new
review.
places.
The review of the review coming. Had to update.
New jizzle, new boots, my nizzle.
Anywho, new boots, new job. Switching it up to going from construction to manufacturing plant type deal. So I'll just go around, do a little overview, whatever. I got no review because I've only just tried them on. See, that video will be attached what these used to look like and what they look like from not even a year of asphalt work and roofing. So these, ended up trying these on in 11. Oh my God, they were a dream. I would have bought the same boots over again. I tortured these things to death, but that sole is not made for what I'm gonna be doing. I need traction and satisfaction, so that's why I'm going with this. I know a lot of guys recommended boots too on my boots video, but yeah, I don't know if I was tripping on some of them prices. I ain't making that much yet. Plus, I get reimbursed through my job for this price boot right here, this price right here. So, wham, composite toe. Freaking sexy, man. We're gonna go with an 11 and then we'll have the review. But yeah, let me know what y'all think. They're sexy for sure. Do some pictures maybe, post them up in this video. Let me know what you think. Overview. Review will be coming. Next time you see these things, they will not look like they look right now. They're beautiful right now. Review video to come.
Clock Production.